Hi, Phil here with Phil's DIY channel, here to bring you another DIY episode. Today I'm going to introduce to you my brand new 2021 RAV4 Prime from Toyota. It's the new plug-in hybrid car that they've just introduced. Ever since bringing it home a few weeks ago, I've been busy cooking up new ways to accessorize it, and one of the first things that I decided to do was to put car seat covers. So that's what I'm going to be doing today in today's video. I decided to go with the Cover King Neo Supreme covers. They're supposed to be water and stain resistant, very durable, and the most important thing is that they're custom fit to fit the 2019 through 2021 Toyota RAV4s. So I'm pretty excited about that. I hope it fits well and looks nice. I'll put a link to Auto Anything down below in the descriptions, so if you want to check them out, feel free to click through that. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do like it, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and that'll allow me to get motivated to bring more of these videos to you. And stick through all the way to the end, because at the end of the video I'll be putting my summary and observations and comments about my experience with the installation and what I think about the covers in general. Okay, here we go. Here's the seats, or the covers. Comes with two one-piece covers. And I don't know if you can see the whole thing this way, but it comes with separate headrest covers, and it comes with a non-slip liner to put under the seat cover to keep the cover from slipping around. And it comes with this easy install tool. It's a plastic tool that you're supposed to use to push the straps through the tight space in the seat where the seat back meets the seat bottom. There's a video online at coverking.com, and it shows how to use it, but that video for the installation was supposed to be instructional, and it was to a certain extent, but it left out a couple of details, so I'm going to have to figure those things out along the way. Let's hope everything goes well. So here we go, starting with the passenger seat. I'll move it forward so that I can get the headrest off. I'm going to have to tilt it back to get that out. Okay, and then this thing goes up and over. Now, this has a non-stitched part on the side here that's supposed to correspond with the airbag that I'm assuming is in here. I don't see any indication that there actually is an airbag, but I'm going to assume there is because there's a cutout for it. And we'll put the cover up and over. So this cover is supposed to be custom fit for this car. Okay, so far so good. I'm going to go into the back side and work on pulling the cover further down. Okay, and then get the fabric underneath two plastic things for the headrest. Okay, that seems to fit as advertised. Okay, next I have to put these straps through the back side of the space between here and there. I have to get these straps through the space here, right there. And they said to use their little installation tool, which is this device. It's called the Easy Installation Tool. And you're supposed to set it, hook the strap like that, and then you push it through. Ooh. Okay, I've hit a snag. Well, not a literal snag, but this flap covers the underside of the seat. So there is this elastic strap, which is right here. I'm trying to figure out how to unhook it. So I've got the straps through the space between the seat back and the seat bottom, and it comes through right about here. Now there's a wire here and a wire bundle here, and you don't want to pinch that, so instead of putting it over the wire and stressing it, I'm putting it behind the wire so that it goes like so, and it'll be fastened to the mating side, which is connected to the front side of the seat cover. Same thing over here. I put it under this wiring harness, and it'll go under the seat and connect with the other side of that buckle. The buckle that came on the car seat cover was done wrong. The long piece went in first, looped around, then out the bottom. That's wrong. That's not how these buckles should have been threaded, because when you put it straight, it's supposed to hold, but this doesn't. It just slips. So that wasn't maintaining the hold. So I redid the other one the correct way. You're supposed to be able to pull it tight, and then it holds firm like this. This is the right way to do it. The people who assembled this at Cover King did it wrong. Somebody taught them wrong, or they were just having a bad day, I don't know. But this is the right way to do it, and I have to redo all the buckles to look like this. On the side, there's this elastic with a hook on it, and it's supposed to reach under the side of the seat and hook onto something. Except there's a felt curtain here. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, see that? That's my hand pushing on that felt screen curtain, and I'm gonna have to get that hook onto something, so I think I'm going to put it right here. So I decided to put that side hook onto the plastic hook that the car back flap is hooked to. That loop, that elastic loop, is hooked over that plastic hook, so I put the seat cover side hook on there. Okay, so I've got the passenger seat cover in, and it looks like this. I haven't put the headrest on yet, but I'll be doing that next. It's got cutouts so that it exposes the plastic part where the headrest posts will go into and lock. for now, this is how it looks. It doesn't look too bad. The side here, there's a little ridge sewn into the edge here, and it tucks in to the plastic right along here. So that's a clean edge. But the other side, where it's next to the center console, isn't so clean. There's all this loose fabric here, but I don't imagine there's much they can do about that. So that's gonna have to stay that way. But overall, the process wasn't as easy as they make it appear on their instruction video. So this is the driver's side, and just like before, it's got the buckle strap done wrong. So I'm going to just take it apart and show myself fixing it. See how it comes in this way and then comes around? It's the other way. It has to, the long part has to go in this part and come out that way. So just kind of push that through with the screwdriver, comes right out. And then, so it's going to go in this way. And then loop around that bar and out the back. That's how it's supposed to work. And when you do that, it's nice and firm. It doesn't slip. The way they had it, it slips, because this is the right way to do it. They had it the backwards way. Okay, so driver's seat cover is done, and it's looks okay. I'm not 100% happy with the look and the fit. As I said, the seat back here, I thought the website said that it would sit snug up against the seat, but because of the bucket sides, I don't think that's possible. So I think this is as good as it's going to get. The headrests covers aren't a super exact fit, and one problem with it is because of the fabric here on the edges, it won't sit down all the way. So let me see if I can demonstrate that. Can't do it one-handed, but anyway, as you can see on the passenger seat, that's as far down as it goes. And I think that's partly due to the fact that they got these flaps on the sides of the headrest covers. And so it's not going to sit flat, and it's not going to sit down all the way. The other problem I had with this seat is because the driver's seat is power, there's a lot less space under the seat to work with, and so I had to get creative on fishing that strap down there. Anyway, so that concludes the installation of my seat covers. I'm going to try it out for a week or so, and if I'm okay with it, I'll keep it. Otherwise, I might take it all out and return it, and just live with the bare seats. Okay, well, today is a few days after the install. It's, believe it or not, it's over 80 degrees here in Los Angeles. It's middle of January. It's supposed to be the middle of winter, but here we are. I know some of you in other parts of the country, in the Northeast and in Canada, are experiencing sub-zero weather and snow and sleet and ice and all sorts of problems. We have clear blue skies and 80+ weather, so go figure. Anyway, I've been driving around with the car seat covers from Cover King. They're okay. I think I'll keep them. The only issues that I do have that might be room for improvement for Cover King are the sides of the car seats where they hang down from the seat. I think they could figure out a better way to make them a nice, neater fit. And the other item is the headrests, where the flaps prevent the headrest from sitting all the way down flush with the seat back. Otherwise, I'm very happy with them. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.